Hi guys, welcome to Tractor Living and Land Work. This is Wayne coming to you live from 16 beautiful acres of South Louisiana. You can't do much today. I got home from work a little bit early. It don't get dark for another couple hours. I thought I'd go put the Titan fence post and tree puller on the front of the tractor, and got the flail mower on the back. We're just gonna leave that on there for a little extra balance. Probably gonna stop up here and do the tilt up a little bit on it. It is sitting kind of low when I got it set for the mow. It's not rubbing the ground, about 6-8 inches off the ground. Sometimes it's a little too close for comfort. Anyway, I'm gonna ride down here and see if there's a few little dry spots I can kind of pull a few trees out of the ground, saplings that we need to take out, just to do something, man. I'm tired of this rain. I can't get out and do much. Pull a bunch of trees down at my daughter's house. She's got some clumps growing here, there, and yonder. If it's dry enough, and I don't track up the yard, I'm gonna ease over there to them and see if I can't get some of them trees pulled out. So if I get down there and get to see a good clump, I'll go ahead and set the outdoor camera up. Let's see if we can't make a little video of me pulling some of these trees. So y'all hang tight. Be back with you in a minute. Skin that tree up a little bit there, but I did. It'll be all right. And y'all can see right here, it's kind of making a mud hole. So I'm gonna stop pulling right now until it dries up a little bit more. But I'm gonna come back and get all this stuff later. I'll probably put my bush hog in and back up to it and cut all that stuff. I'm working on a power pack, and when I get that, I'm gonna buy a front brush cutter, and that'll be the ideal thing to reach around there and get that. I don't put my flail mower in there. I may put my flail mower and knock that stuff down, but there's cypress knees growing all through there. Last year I caught a cypress knee and it burned my belts up on my flail mower, so I'm not gonna put my flail mower too far. I may put it on there a little bit, back up to it a little bit, and maybe just try to cut the tops down some. I think I may try that right now, just to see how it goes. being I have my flail mower on the tractor already. Yeah, my flail mower cut that down a little bit. Got it looking a little better. So we'll call that it. I don't want to do too much more because as you can see right here, it's making a mud hole. And I don't like to make a mud hole. Yeah, we're going to call this a wrap for this evening anyhow. I'm going to go ahead and edit this little old video and get it up. For y'all folks out there that's interested in flail mower and that little fence post and tree puller, and it's great for cleaning up little stuff like that. Now around that pond it's kind of sketchy, you got to watch yourself. Kind of had my foot on the brake a lot because had it in 4-wheel drive and had me some weight on the back of the tractor. I didn't want to pull myself into the pond a little bit, but I mean it worked well. And like I say, when I get my power pack built and put on the back of this thing, I'm gonna buy a brush cutter for the front, and that would be ideal to finish this pond up around. That old brush cutter would cut them cypress knees too. I don't like them cypress knees. I don't mind them growing in the water, but out on the land when I try to mow around them, they don't do nothing but give my mower fits. Hey, if y'all like that content, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for a little like for me. If y'all like my channel, subscribe to it. It don't cost nothing to subscribe to my channel. Y'all want to see all my videos, hit that little bell for notifications. And y'all have fun on them tractors out there. Y'all stay safe on them tractors. Tractors can hurt you if you're not sure what you're doing with them. All you new tractor drivers out there, y'all read those manuals, get to read all that safety stuff. Watch them YouTubes. Plenty of safety tips on them YouTubes. Don't ask that tractor to do something it's not designed to do. Until next time, guys, God bless you, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot for watching.